mother and driving 4 hours out of the day to get here and go home.
I'd have to say my favorite modality is sports massage. I really enjoy doing stretches and deep tissue, and they really work hand in hand with kinesiology, stretching, and deep tissue. So I highly enjoy sports massage. It's a lot of work, but it's my favorite.
My first day of clinic was pretty bad. I was not confident at all, and I ended up cutting a client short. The coaches had encouraged me a lot and said everything's going great, and they really pumped me up. But the one thing that kept me coming back was because of just how over the top encouraging the coaches really were. Mm-hmm. I did it. I had returning clients. My massage skills did improve, and now I'm a licensed massage therapist.